An island in the middle of the ocean, no cities, no crowds, just runways, bombers, and silence. And now a warning too, don't give it away. That was the message, and it came straight from none other than US President Donald Trump. Well, let's talk about the island that few people talk about. It's called Diego Garcia, a tiny speck in the Indian Ocean, but strategically it is giant. This island hosts a powerful US-UK military base, long runways, heavy bombers, massive fuel shortage. It's close enough for the Middle East to matter and far enough to stay protected. Then there is Trump's signal to Iran also. On February 18th, Trump hinted at something serious. If diplomacy with Iran fails, the United States may need to act here. And if it acts, then Diego Garcia, it could be the launch point. Wait, it's not a small statement because Diego Garcia has been used before for major operations in Iraq and Afghanistan. It is built for long-range strikes, it is built for reach, it is built for power projection. But here's another layer. Trump didn't just speak about Iran, it also appeared to send a message to Keir Starmer, Britain's Prime Minister. Yes, reports suggest discussions around leasing arrangement tied to the base. And you know what was Trump's reaction here? He called it a big mistake. He seemed to suggest that this base is too important to weaken, share loosely, or compromise. Now, why does Diego Garcia matters? Look at the map. The Indian Ocean connects the Middle East, Southern Asia, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Control this region and you influence the global trade route. All shipments pass nearby military ship lanes, crosses these waters. It's kind of choke point of global importance. And Diego Garcia sits quietly at the center. Now remember here about the US-UK relation, the base is a joint facility, but Washington provides most of the military muscle. If there is even a hint of disagreement between allies over how it is used, that is significant because unity matters in deterrence, and any sign of division could be noticed by rivals. If we see it from Iran's angle, then tension between Washington and Tehran, they have been rising. Nuclear negotiations remain fragile, regional flashpoints remain active. Trump's message seemed to clear the deal or consequences, and Diego Garcia becomes the symbol of that warning. A silent island loaded with potential. So the question is it threat or a strategy? Is this preparation for real military action or is it classic pressure tactic? Sometimes you move pieces on the chessboard not to strike but to make the other side think you might. Deterrence works on perception and Diego Garcia is a powerful visual. So, if talks really collapse here, if tensions spike, will this remote island suddenly become the most important location in the Indian Ocean? Or is this just a political messaging wrapped in military symbolism? Because when leaders talk about strategic bases publicly, they are not speaking casually here. They are signaling. In the end, an island few people can find on the map, a warning heard across continents and allies quietly navigating their own differences. Well, the Indian Ocean may look calm, but beneath the surface, geopolitics is moving, and Diego Garcia is right at the center.